Hey guys, so tonight, whatever, I'm gonna talk, these dogs bark for any reason. Anyways, I'm gonna talk about how I lost my belly fat, my weight, whatever. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've recorded this video 1,000 times. I did not realize like how much work it is just to make a freaking video. But yeah, I'm just gonna talk to y'all about like everything that I did, and I don't want to make it long, so I wrote down some stuff. Yeah, because I don't want to make this a long video. So I'm just gonna introduce myself. My name is Precious. That's my name. So why I decided, oh my gosh, why I decided to do this is just because man, health is wealth. Let's put it like that. Health is wealth. And you know, for a while I had been really insecure. I knew I was gaining weight. I knew I was feeling sluggish, having headaches, all kinds of things. But I just I was lacking confidence and just not myself for a while. And I decided, you know, I have to do this. Hence, there have been many times where I tried to lose weight, but I always try to find like the quick fix, you know. Shakes, pills, I always would try to find something that was gonna help me lose weight really quick. And the truth is, it's not gonna happen that fast. It's gonna take time and it's gonna be hard. But with consistency and, you know, you will be able to accomplish your goals. You just have to be honest with yourself, for one, and recognize, you know, where you're lacking, recognize where, you know, what you're doing wrong. You just have to be honest. You can't blame other factors. You can't blame, oh, well, school, or, oh, you can't. And I know it's hard to hear, but you just have to be really honest with yourself and make time for yourself. For a while, I hadn't been doing that. In college, basically, is when I gained the weight. I joined a sorority, got a boyfriend, and, you know, between the two, it's just, I gained weight. Although I feel like a lot of people may have noticed it, but not noticed it really. Like, the picture that I posted on Instagram showed how much belly fat I really had. And I honestly feel like I was a pro at trying to cover it up. I mean, you could see the pudge poking out like in certain outfits, but I would definitely, you know, try to be very conservative in the things that I wore for the most part. Like, if I knew I was gonna have a tight shirt, I'd try to make sure I throw on a flannel or have a jacket on, stuff like that. But yeah, like I said, I became really insecure and just like not myself for a while, and I did not like it. And so, like I said, I always knew how to hide my flaws. And basically, you know, that's my background. I'm gonna tell y'all what I did though, but I'm not gonna make this video super long. If y'all have, like, if y'all wanna know like more more detailed information about certain things, then I can make videos about that. But I don't wanna keep y'all watching this for too long because I don't think I'm that interesting. But okay, so number one, I started off just going to the gym, not doing anything else, just going to the gym. And then I realized, you know, well, I'm going to the gym, why am I not losing weight? Why is the scale not moving? Hence, the scale is not the most important thing when you're starting out. Put that out there, because yeah, you just gotta be consistent. And another thing, disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, none of that. I'm just simply telling y'all what I did. Maybe y'all will want to try it, but like I said, disclaimer, so don't get mad if it doesn't work. But I'm telling y'all what to do, yeah, I'm telling y'all what I did. Yeah, so I started doing that and the scale did not move. And you know, when you first start something like a weight loss journey, you want to check, like you're bound to check the scale. If you have one at the house, you're going to want to check the scale. And truth is, your weight fluctuates. And so you got to pick a time that you want to weigh yourself. I usually weigh myself once a week. Like, sometimes I'll watch the scale fluctuate throughout the week just for the fun of it. But I know, like, as long as I'm doing what I'm supposed to do, I know I will lose the weight. And so, like I said, I was working out, but nothing was happening. And so then I looked into calorie counting, and that changed everything for me. Once I started counting my calories and, you know, staying in a calorie deficit, I've been able to lose at least 1 pound a week, sometimes even 1.5 to 2. Anything over 2 pounds is unhealthy. And so just put that out there. So yeah, I've been pretty steady so far. Just being in a calorie deficit and working out. I do work out 5 times a week. I do strength training and I do cardio after every workout. I do 15 to 20 minutes. As for lifting, I do at least 30 to 45 minutes. I change it up. You know, when I first started, I'd have designated days. Monday would be legs, Tuesday arms, so on, so on, so on. And I would put all my workouts in this book. And this basically was just like a good guide, like just random workouts I found like on Google and stuff like that, Instagram. This was really helpful because when I went in there, you know, it's really intimidating going towards the weight section, not knowing what to do. So yeah, it helped, like writing down my workouts helped me stay on track and stuff like that. I'd write down the reps, the number of sets, stuff like that. So that was helpful. But then I kind of just gradually didn't need it anymore. I just, you know, like now like if I see a workout that I like, I'll save it on my phone. And then when I'm in there, I have no shame. I'll pull it up and look at it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So Monday through Friday, go to the gym, calorie deficit, and that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, I mean, there's other things that I've tried along the way, like apple cider vinegar, protein shakes, intermittent fasting, and some of it does work, some of it does not work. Well, worked for me, and some of it didn't work for me. It's really like that. But honestly, there's a lot of detail. Like, for example, like what I eat, stuff like that. People are asking me, you know, what do I eat? I eat what I want. Nothing's off limits, you know, as long as it is in my calories and I'm keeping an eye on my protein, you know, it's all gravy. I'm not trying to deprive myself. You know, I want to have energy when I go to the gym because now I actually enjoy going to the gym. And I would not say I'm a pro at the gym or anything like that. But now you know, it's just a learning experience. And, you know, some days I go to the gym and I see people doing certain workouts and then I take note and I do that workout next time I go because, I mean, how else are you supposed to learn other workouts? I mean, yeah, you have the internet, but I mean, I don't know. You just do what works for you. Like I said twice, I'm not freaking scientist, doctor, nutritionist, none of that. But I do feel like, you know, sharing my experience can help others. That's pretty much it. I do want to eventually, you know, like if, you know, y'all are interested, make more videos like showing y'all exactly what I do in the gym and like at home workouts, because you by all means, okay, whatever. Y'all don't need no gym membership, okay, to get fit. Like, you don't need a gym membership. You don't even have to work out, period. But I mean, I think working out is just part of it, you know. You can be in a calorie deficit, but your results will definitely come faster if you do work out. So anyways, I'm just gonna wrap this up because like I said, I don't want y'all to be watching this for too long. I hope I'm not talking too slow or too fast or whatever, but I do hope that you guys found this video informative and learn something from it, take something from it. I don't know, become motivated. One thing I will say about motivation, it's not always gonna be there. Sometimes you just gotta, you know, when you wake up, you know, you gotta go to the gym or work out, whatever. You're at work, you know, you gotta go to work out after you get off, or you're in class and you know you gotta go work out, but you don't want to. You gotta get your butt up and you gotta do it. You gotta find that discipline. You gotta develop the discipline, because motivation is not always going to be there. You're not always going to be motivated. And another thing to take away is that this whole thing is not a competition. It's not a race by all means. Do what you can at your own pace. It's not a race, okay? It takes time. I'm not where I want to be. I'm just merely meeting my goals barely, okay? So, yeah. And as for the calories, like, a lot of people have been asking me, you know, what my calories are, but in all honesty, my calories are not going to be your calories, because a person that's 5'1" is not going to have the same calorie intake as a person like me that's 5'4", 100 and whatever pound. I started off 170 pounds. I think it was more than that, but we're just gonna say 170 for now, because that was the weight that would always pop up when I stepped on the scale. But yeah, I really hope that this video was helpful. And if y'all want to see anything else, like if there's anything that y'all really want to see, please let me know, because I will be more than happy to make the video. This is gonna be the last time I'm recording this video, because the first time I made it too freaking long. But yeah, just let me know in the comments or DM me, whatever. I'll link my social media, and I will also include the link to the calorie what's it called, the calorie calculator, I guess you can call it that. I'll link that, the one that I used, so you guys can use it too. But other than that, thanks for watching. Thanks for being interested in me. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, have a good weekend. Bye.